Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make restaurant style green beans curry. It's a North Indian style green beans curry recipe. You can have it along with chapati, roti or rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of green peas. We have washed and soaked green peas for 8 hours. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, 1 sliced onion, 5 chopped garlics, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high flame and then 3 whistles on medium flame. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 sliced onions, some curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame until the onion turns light golden brown color. Then add 1 chopped tomato, mix it well. Close the lid and saute it for 6 minutes until the tomato becomes soft and mushy. Now keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Now add the previously cooked green peas to it. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then transfer half cup of curry into a grinder jar and grind it into a paste form. This gives more thickness for the gravy. Wash the grinder jar with half cup of water and add to it. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes on medium flame. After 6 minutes, open the lid. Keep it low flame and add half cup of cow milk, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoon ghee, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Restaurant style green beans curry is ready. It's a North Indian style green beans curry recipe. You can have it along with chapati, roti or rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.